Hey guys, what is up? So today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a nice and simple paper aeroplane. So guys, to start off, you're going to want to flip the paper just like so. You're going to want to flip it and fold it. And you want it to be like this, like wide, like the width has to be a lot and not small. So the length has to be small, width has to be big. So now you're going to want to do this. Fold it nicely. I'm going to go nice and slow because it has to be equal. There we go. Now, I want to crease it. Don't mind the noise in the background, please. I know you might just see somebody doing for the first time. So now guys, you've reached here. Make sure the length is big now. Now fold from here. Now from here to up here. If it's not foldable, just keep pressing the places where it's not foldable. There we go. Just like that. Okay. Yeah. There we go. Nice. I hope you guys got it up till here. And please tell me you got it up till here. Oh god, I did it wrong. It's not. Okay, if you guys have made it up till here, I'm gonna want you to fold it up and fold it on that line till the time I reach there. Or if you want, you can just wait for me. Sit there and wait. Okay. So now that I've done this, I'm gonna fold this part over here to here. Let's do that. Whoop. And then again you want to fold it. And now you want to make it like you're making an actual paper airplane. So you want to fold it like this. Now, till now it's supposed to look like this. Now you do the same on the other side. There we go. You're want to make sure it looks like this till now. Now, open it. Take this corner over here, this corner, and fold it over here. So it will look like this, as you can see. Wait, let me hold this down. Now, do the same on the other side. But make sure the tip is touching the line, like the actual tip. If you want, you can keep rewinding this if you want to get it clear. Now, take this and this is supposed to be this pocket. Fold this into this pocket. Just like so. Oh. It's not so easy whatsoever. There we go. So now, since you've done that, it's supposed to look exactly like this. Oh god, what did I do wrong now? Okay, there we go. Now do the exact same on the other side. Just fold it. Oh no, what have I done? Okay, there we go. Oh god, there we go. Nice and easy. This is really not easy. Oh god, this is hard. Yeah, don't ask me how I know to make this. Oh no. Okay then. Oh, finally I did it. Okay, now since I've done this, it's supposed to look like this. Okay. Now, since you've done that, you're going to want to flip the paper like this. Now you're going to want to fold this side over here. Why are there so many things going wrong with this paper? Open, 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 open. Oh, come on, open. Good, good. Still like that. Okay, I'm just gonna close. Oh no, guys, there's a problem. Guys, there's a problem. No. I hate when this happens. By the way, this isn't rare like at all. You guys just fold the paper, yeah? I'll be right there with you in a moment. Oh, come on, you paper. Bro, it's literally not working for me. Like, actually. Again, guys, it's not easy. Ah. Okay, fold it here. Now, you're gonna do this and fold it again. Right over here. Do the other same on the other side. Just like that. Open it now. And open it. And you're done.